Building a strong, clean deck starts with precision, speed, and the right tools in your hands. Best Screw Gun for Decking helps you drive fast, accurate screws, reduce fatigue, and achieve professional results on every project, season after season, consistently. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT 20-volt Screw Gun. The DEWALT 20-volt screw gun stands out as a reliable and high-performance tool designed for professionals and serious DIY users who demand precision and durability in decking projects. Powered by an advanced brushless motor, this screw gun delivers excellent efficiency, longer runtime, and reduced maintenance compared to traditional brushed models. Its wide variable speed range, combined with dedicated high and low settings, allows users to adapt easily to different materials, whether working with softwood decking or dense composite boards. One of its strongest features is the 4 dedicated operating modes, including high-speed trigger, low-speed trigger, push start, and lock-on mode, giving users full control over fastening speed and consistency. The top-mounted electronic mode selector makes switching between modes fast and convenient, even when working one-handed on ladders or elevated platforms. The adjustable nose cone ensures consistent screw depth, helping create a clean, professional finish without surface damage. Number 2. SENCO 10F0001N Screw Gun. The SENCO 10F0001N screw gun is a versatile and professional-grade fastening tool built for users who frequently work with different materials and screw sizes. Designed as an all-purpose solution, this model excels in adaptability, allowing smooth transitions between various tasks without complicated adjustments. One of its most practical features is the tool-free screw length adjustment system, which enables quick changes on the job site and minimizes downtime. This makes it especially valuable for decking projects that require different fastener lengths for framing, boards, and trim. The patented screw strip guide is another major advantage, as it prevents misfeeds and ensures smooth operation even during high-speed fastening. Reloading screw strips is fast and simple, keeping workflow uninterrupted. With a high-torque motor capable of reaching speeds up to 2,500 RPM, the SENCO 10F0001N easily drives screws ranging from 1 inch to 3 inches into dense hardwood. Number 3. Simpson Strong Tie Screw Gun. The Simpson Strong Tie Screw Gun is designed with productivity and user comfort in mind, making it a powerful solution for large-scale decking and outdoor construction projects. One of its most distinctive features is the Quick Drive Extension System, which allows users to drive screws while standing upright. This greatly reduces back strain and fatigue, enabling workers to cover more surface area in less time. The lightweight and portable design further enhances mobility, making it easy to move across job sites without feeling weighed down. The included Quick Drive Pro 300 SD25K deck system comes equipped with a quiver for convenient screw storage, a durable carrying case, and a specialized decking nose clip. These accessories help keep tools and fasteners organized, improving efficiency and reducing interruptions. Another standout feature is its ability to deliver uniform countersinking even on slick or wet surfaces. This ensures consistent results in varying weather conditions, making it suitable for outdoor projects exposed to rain, dust, and temperature changes. Number 4. Uhfsyut 21-volt Screw Gun. The Uhfsyut 21-volt screw gun offers a versatile and user-friendly solution for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need flexibility in their tools. This innovative 2-in-1 design functions as both the drywall screw gun and an electric screwdriver, making it a practical choice for homeowners who work on multiple types of projects. Its quick adjustment mechanism allows one-handed operation, enabling users to switch between different screw lengths without interrupting workflow. This feature is particularly helpful for decking tasks that require fast transitions between fastener sizes. The 360-degree rotating head enhances accessibility, allowing users to work comfortably in tight corners, under railings, and in awkward angles. Tool-free length adjustment with clear stop marks ensures consistent screw depth, resulting in neat and uniform finishes. Powered by a high-capacity 21V 4.0 AH battery, this screw gun delivers strong and stable performance, supporting longer work sessions without frequent recharging. The battery also provides sufficient torque. Number 5. Makita XRF-03Z Screw Gun. The Makita XRF-03Z screw gun is a high-performance fastening tool engineered for speed, efficiency, and professional-level reliability. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, this model delivers impressive fastening speeds of up to 6,000 RPM, allowing users to complete large decking projects in significantly less time. Its innovative push-drive technology activates the motor only when the fastener engages, improving battery efficiency while reducing noise and unnecessary wear. With an 18-volt LXT 5.0 AH battery, the tool can drive up to 2,250 screws on a single charge, making it ideal for extended work sessions without frequent interruptions. The lock-on button supports continuous operation, further enhancing productivity during repetitive fastening tasks. The auto-feed housing features a screwless one-touch hook, allowing fast attachment and removal of screw strips for seamless workflow. This design minimizes downtime and keeps projects moving smoothly. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.